Okay, so first of all, we're gonna cut out the semicircle and we're gonna close it with another semicircle. So kind of drawing a circle. Note that two semicircles together make the circumference of the entire sphere. So if the circumference of the entire sphere is 2 pi r, then the circumference of a semicircle will be pi r. So this will be pi r. We do have that the region, this square has side length 2 over pi. So the radius would be half of it, so that's 1 over pi. And so when we're trying to find the circumference, so it would be pi times 1 over pi, which is 1. So this arc over here has a length of 1. And so there are 4 such arcs, right? And they're symmetrical. So you just do 1 times 4, and that's 4. So here, the point is to note, I guess, how the ratio of a perimeter of circumferences of a semicircle with respect to a circle, and kind of just plugging in the formula at the end. And remember always that there's you have to count for the entire outside, so multiplying by 4 is really important. Okay, next question. What is the smallest whole number larger than the perimeter of any triangle with side length 5 and the side length 19? So I would like you to try this out on your own, and then we'll discuss about this. You might need some tricks for this one.